वेलकम स्टुडंट्स. कृष्णा महाविद्यालय ज्युनियर विंग फिजिक्स डिपार्टमेंट. मी प्राध्यापिका सौ सुपूगडे SV आपल्या ऑनलाईन व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये सर्वांचे स्वागत करत आहे. क्लासरूममध्ये आपला सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ वेव्ज हा चॅप्टर सुरू आहे. त्या चॅप्टरमधीलच शेवटचा पॉईंट आहे formation of beads. We have studied principle of superposition of waves and phenomenon produced due to superposition of waves, that are interference, constructive interference and destructive interference, as well as formation of stationary waves. And also we have obtained the equation of stationary waves. Then last point in this chapter is beats. What are beats? And obtain expression for frequency of beat by analytical method. Superposition of waves मुळेच साऊंड वेव्हच्या बाबतीत घडून येणारी एक फिनॉमिनन किंवा प्रक्रिया आहे आणि ती म्हणजे बीट्स. बीट्स आर फॉर्म्ड ड्यू टू सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ टू साऊंड वेव्स हॅविंग इक्वल ॲम्प्लिट्यूड अँड स्लाइटली डिफरंट फ्रिक्वेन्सीज or nearly equal frequencies. The frequency difference is very small, about 6 to 7 Hz. When these two sound waves having equal amplitude and slightly different frequencies superimpose on each other, then we hear the alternate maximum and minimum of sound after definite interval of time. And this production of alternate maximum and minimum of sound after definite interval of time due to the superposition of two sound waves having equal amplitude and slightly different frequencies is called as the beats. Beats are the production of alternate maximum and minimum of sound, minimum intensity of sound after definite interval of time due to the superposition of two sound waves having equal amplitude and slightly different frequencies. In case of beat, the maximum intensity of sound is called as waxing or wax, and minimum intensity of sound is called as waning or wane. And one waxing and one waning, that is one maximum and one minimum together, is called as one beat. Then period of beat or periodic time of beat denoted by letter T, capital T. It is the time interval between two successive waxing, that is maximum, or two successive waning, that is minimum. The time interval between two successive waxing or waning is called as the period of beat. Or the period of beat is the time in which one waxing and one waning, that is one maximum and one minimum, is heard. That is one beat is heard. The time during which one beat is heard is called as the period of beat. And then frequency of beat denoted by letter N, किंवा n suffix b, nb, it is the number of beats heard per second. The number of beats heard per second are called as the frequency of beat. Frequency of beat n is equal to 1 upon period of beat. Then expression for the frequency of beats n by analytical method. To obtain expression for frequency of beat, we consider the superposition of two sound waves having equal amplitude A and slightly different frequencies n1 and n2, and these two waves meet at a point in phase. Then the displacements y1 and y2 of the particle due to these two waves at a time t is given by y1 is equal to a sine 2 pi n1t, equation number 1, and y2 is equal to a sine 2 pi n2t, equation number 2. Amplitude is same and only frequency are different, n1 and n2. Therefore displacements are y1 and y2. Then the resultant displacement y at time t at that point is given by, according to principle of superposition of wave, y is equal to y1 plus y2, equation number 3. Then from equations 1 and 2, equation 3 becomes y is equal to a sine 2 pi n1t plus a sine 2 pi n2t. Then take a common. a common घेतल्यानंतर कंसामध्ये साईनच्या दोन टर्मची बेरीज, साइन ऑफ 2 पाय n1t प्लस साइन ऑफ 2 पाय n2t, equation number 4. Then in equation 4, using the relation sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. We get y is equal to a as it is. Then according to this relation 2 into sin c plus d upon 2 आहे. c म्हणजे 2 पाय n1t आणि d आहे 2 पाय n2t. Therefore sin 2 पाय n1t plus 2 पाय n2t divided by 2 into cos of 2 पाय n1t minus 2 पाय n2t divided by 2. आता या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये ज्या टर्म आहेत त्याच्यामधून 2 पाय आणि t कॉमन घेऊन नेक्स्ट स्टेप वी गेट y is equal to 2a sin into bracket 2 pi into bracket n1 plus n2 upon 2 into bracket complete into small t and square bracket complete. Similarly into cos square bracket मध्ये 2 pi common अगोदर, then into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 small bracket complete into t, equation number 5. In equation 5 substitute n1 plus n2 upon 2 is equal to capital N. Capital N is the resultant frequency and capital A किंवा capital A suffix R is equal to 2a cos of 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into small t, equation number 6. Here capital A is the resultant amplitude of a wave. Then we get y is equal to capital A sin 2 pi capital N into t, equation number 7. This equation 7 is the equation of resultant wave, and which shows that the resultant motion of a particle is also SHM, having the frequency capital N, which is average of two frequencies N1 and N2, and capital A is the resultant amplitude. Then we consider case first. At a waxing. Waxing means the point at which the resultant intensity, that is amplitude of sound, is maximum. Resultant amplitude is maximum. Amplitude denoted by letter A. Therefore, at a waxing, A is maximum. Capital A is maximum. And from equation 6, capital A is maximum when cos of 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 bracket complete into t is maximum, and that is equal to plus or minus 1. Maximum value of cos of any angle is plus 1 or minus 1, and therefore capital A is equal to plus or minus 2a, that is maximum when cos of 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to plus or minus 1. Equation number 8. And we know cos of n pi is equal to plus or minus 1 for n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Equation number 9. Then equating equations 8 and 9, we get 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to n pi. Then pi cancels on both sides, and we obtain here formula for small t. Time t is equal to n upon n1 minus n2. Equation number 10. This equation 10 gives the successive time at which the successive waxing, that is maximum of sound, is heard, and these successive time are obtained by putting small n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. in equation 10. Therefore, we get t is equal to, first time t is equal to 0. If we substitute n is equal to 0 in equation 10, then t is equal to 0. Then substituting n is equal to 1, we get t is equal to successive time 1 upon n1 minus n2. Similarly, 2 upon n1 minus n2, 3 upon n1 minus n2, etc. And these are the time, successive time at which the successive maximum of sound are heard. And therefore, the time interval between successive waxing, that is the period of beat t, is given by capital T is equal to कुठल्याही लगतच्या दोन टाईममधील फरक 2 upon n1 minus n2 minus 1 upon n1 minus n2 किंवा 1 upon n1 minus n2 minus 0, and we get period t is equal to, capital T is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. Equation number 11. And from this formula for period, we obtain the frequency of beat n using the relation n is equal to 1 upon t. Therefore, n is equal to, we get 1 upon n1 minus n2. t ची किंमत 1 upon n1 minus n2. n1 minus n2 हे छेदस्थानचं छेदस्थान अंशस्थानी जाईल आणि फ्रिक्वेन्सी ऑफ बीट NB किंवा N इज इक्वल टू N1 minus N2 or N2 minus N1. That is NB, beat frequency, is equal to difference between N1 and N2. Equation number 12. Similarly, we consider case second, that is at waning, conditions of time at waning. Waning means the time at which the resultant intensity, that is amplitude of sound, is minimum, that is 0, and therefore at waning capital A is equal to 0. And from equation 6, capital A is equal to 0 when cos of 2 pi n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to 0. Equation number 13. We know cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, cos of p into pi by 2 is equal to 0 for p is equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. Equation number 14. Equating equations 13 and 14, we get 2 pi into bracket n1 minus n2 upon 2 into t is equal to p into pi by 2. And converting this equation, we obtain formula for t, small t. Pi cancels on both sides. Here 2 cancel, and small t is equal to, we get p upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2. Equation number 15. For p is equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. This equation 15 gives the time at which the successive waning is heard, and the successive time t at which the waning is heard is obtained by putting p is equal to 1, 3, 5, etc. in equation 15, and therefore we get t is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2 first time, then next successive time p is equal to 3 substitute करून 3 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2. Similarly, next consecutive time is 5 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2, etc. These are the successive times at which the successive waning are heard, and from this the time interval between successive waning, that is the period of beat capital T, is obtained as capital T is equal to difference between these two successive time, that is capital T is equal to 3 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2 minus 1 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2, and again here difference is 2 upon 2 into bracket n1 minus n2, 2 cancel होऊन period of beat capital T is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2. Equation number 16. And again from this frequency of beat n is equal to 1 upon t, that is 1 upon n1 minus n2, that is equal to n1 minus n2, and thus beat frequency nb is equal to n1 minus n2 or n2 minus n1. Equation 17. And thus from equation 12 and 17, waxing and waning are heard after equal interval of time, that is the time interval between successive waxing as well as time interval between successive vanning is the same, that is period of beat. Capital T is equal to 1 upon n1 minus n2, and the frequency of beat is n1 minus n2, that is equal to the difference between the two frequencies of two sound waves which produces beats. Thus, question on this point is, what are beats, what is waxing, what is mean by vanning, what is one beat, and define period of beat, frequency of beat, and obtain expression for frequency of beat. Then next we study applications of beat. First application is to determine unknown frequency of sound by measuring beat frequency. If there is sound having unknown frequency, then this unknown frequency sound and one known frequency sound are sounded together and beat frequency is heard, and measuring beat frequency, the unknown frequency of sound can be calculated, or unknown frequency of sound is sounded together with the sound having adjustable frequency, and the frequency, variable frequency of known frequency of sound is adjusted such that the beat frequency becomes 0, and then the known frequency is equal to unknown frequency of sound. Then second application is to tune different musical instruments in unison with each other, that is with same frequency. वेगवेगळी वाद्ययंत्र एकाच वेळी ज्यावेळी वाजवली जातात त्यावेळी त्यांच्या सेम फ्रिक्वेन्सी असणं गरजेचं असतं. तर त्यावेळी त्या दोन्ही वेगवेगळ्या साऊंडमधली बीट फ्रिक्वेन्सी 0 केली जाते, म्हणजेच सर्व म्युझिकल इन्स्ट्रुमेंटची फ्रिक्वेन्सी सारखी होते. देन थर्ड ॲप्लिकेशन टू डिटेक्ट प्रेझेन्स ऑफ हार्मफुल गॅसेस इन द माइन. खाणीमध्ये, माइन म्हणजे खाणीमध्ये एखादे हार्मफुल विषारी वायू आहेत किंवा काय ते डिटेक्ट बीट फ्रिक्वेन्सी मोजून केलं जातं. also to produce sound note of very low frequency, that is difference tone. When two sound waves having slightly different frequencies are interfere or superposition of these two sound waves takes place, then we hear the beat frequency sound, third sound note of beat frequency, that is low frequency, that is called as difference tone. Also to tune radio receiver. Then next example is in radar, radio wave detection and ranging. To find enemy's vehicle or aeroplane and its speed. शत्रूचं एखादं वाहन किंवा जहाज, हे विमान आपल्या हद्दीमध्ये येत आहे किंवा नाही हे ओळखण्यासाठी रडार यंत्र वापरलं जातं. त्याच्यामध्ये साऊंड वेव्ह पाठवले जातात हवेमध्ये आणि ते रिफ्लेक्ट होऊन येतात आणि त्या दोन्हीमधील फ्रिक्वेन्सीमध्ये फरक होतो डॉपलर इफेक्टमुळे, आणि त्याच्यावरून ते एखादं वाहन किंवा विमान येत आहे किंवा नाही हे ओळखलं जातं रडार या यंत्राच्या सहाय्याने. अगदी त्याचप्रमाणे इन सोनार, दॅट इज साऊंड वेव्ह नेव्हिगेशन अँड रेंजिंग, टू डिटरमाइन द स्पीड ऑफ सबमरीन्स. समुद्रामध्ये बुडलेलं एखादं शत्रूचं जहाज वगैरे येत आहे किंवा नाही हे ओळखण्यासाठी आणि त्याची स्पीड डिटरमाइन करण्यासाठी बीट फ्रिक्वेन्सी आणि डॉपलर इफेक्टमध्ये डॉपलर इफेक्ट होतो आणि डॉपलर इफेक्टमध्ये फ्रिक्वेन्सी चेंज होते आणि ती फ्रिक्वेन्सी चेंजमधील त्याचा बीट फ्रिक्वेन्सीचा अभ्यास करून आपल्याला स्पीड ऑफ सबमरीन्स डिटरमाइन करता येतं म्हणजे इन सोनार. सिमिलरली इन स्पीड गन्स टू डिटेक्ट द स्पीड ऑफ व्हेइकल ऑन हायवे ट्रॅफिक पोलीस युजेस स्पीड गन्स. देन to determine speed of stars using Doppler shift and beat frequency. Also, next application is in color Doppler sonography to determine the rate of flow of fluids in the blood. The beat frequency is used. Thank you.